Hi, good afternoon. Today is 29th of September 2020, and today is Tuesday, and the time now is 5:45. So today I've done stripping of Formworks on this boundary wall, and I've done this blackouts and Formworks for the clean out, and gonna put this tomorrow. And I poured a small part of stormwater clean out, which is this one here. So after 3 days I'm going to remove the Formworks, and yeah, I'm gonna pour this tomorrow. As you can see, there's like a bit of slope in here, so like all the water, there's no ponding on water in here, so it goes on the channel. Yeah. And after that, so we're gonna start the second stage of Formworks on this boundary wall. So maybe after pouring tomorrow, hopefully it won't rain, so I'm gonna start the Formworks. Yeah, it's a bit cloudy today, and there's a bit of a drizzle. Anyway, I'm wearing my raincoat, so I can continue working. So I'm about to knock off now and have a rest. And you can see, yeah, we have the blackout here for the clean out. So all the concrete is just in that area, and I put a small backfill materials on this part because it's too big. So I just put some materials here, and that's the subsoil drain outlet from boundary wall. So once I pour this tomorrow, I need to wait for about 3 days before I can remove all the Formworks all the way through. Then I can start putting the stormwater drainage pipe and pour concrete as well. Alright, friends, thank you so much, and I hope you like my short presentation. Although it's raining now, as you can see, it's drizzle. So yeah, at least I finished what I need to do for today. I'm ready to pour tomorrow. So okay, friends, and see you tomorrow. Bye for now, and God bless. I hope everything is okay. It's too windy. But the cherry blossom is there. They're dancing. Okay, friends, see you tomorrow. Bye for now.